Hi all and welcome. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to unbox the Hauslane WM-540 Pro Style Contemporary Wall Mount Range Hood. It's available in size 30 inches. This range hood is an excellent choice for anyone who loves to take on some serious cooking. It's got you covered whether you're simmering sauces or searing steaks. Plus, it comes with Hauslane's amazing customer service. That means free shipping, a solid warranty, and a price guarantee. Upgrading your kitchen just got a whole lot easier. All right, let's see what we've got in this box. Here is the WM-540. This wall mount range hood has a simple, modern look. It is made with high quality stainless steel and has a pro style design. It is designed to fit right into any kitchen or custom range hood shell. It fits precisely into your hood vent shell to match any kitchen design or appliance. Now for the chefs in the house. You'll appreciate this high-performance blower. It's just perfect for all your heavy-duty kitchen adventures. And don't worry about noise. A specially designed duct system and a quiet yet powerful motor are built to keep things quiet. Your kitchen will remain peaceful even when you're cooking up a storm. Now I'm turning it on at a low-speed setting, and this is the noise level. You can still hear me clearly. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get set up, including 2 easy clean baffle filters, a 6-inch round exhaust adapter for top venting, an upper and a lower chimney cover, a chimney bracket, a grease collector, plus all the screws and the bits for installation. Thinking about going ductless? Grab a charcoal filter separately. The oil tray collects grease from the motor and the housing. These baffle filters come with convenient handles and are easy to take out and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Plus, the bright and energy-efficient LED lights and simple touchscreen make it easy to see what you're doing and control the fan speeds. It even has a delayed auto shutoff to fully remove all lingering smells. So wrapping it up, the WM-540 isn't just a range hood, it's a mix of sleek style, solid build, and serious power, ready to handle whatever cooking challenge you throw at it. Got questions? Or still couldn't decide on which model? We're here to help. Thinking it's time for a kitchen upgrade? Hauslane's got your back. Don't wait. Make your kitchen the heart of your home.